Welcome to Bonfire. In this tutorial, we're going to create a thrilling game called Bonfire Slender Man. We'll guide you step by step on how to replicate this chilling experience using the Bonfire platform. Let's get started. First, download the map in the asset config. Then, select Hi-Fi Suburbia and click Download Selected. The Hi-Fi assets may take some time to download, so be sure not to close the asset menu or the game while this is happening. To add the map, go to the Map browser, open the Hi-Fi folder, drag the map into the map editor or explorer. To start things off, let's create an introduction that sets the tone for the game. The player's objective is to collect 5 pages scattered around the map. Let's add some instructions by placing a billboard spark. Go to the Spark browser, navigate to the Symbols folder, then to UI Containers. Simply drag and drop the billboard onto the map. Nice. To add text to the billboard, go to the HUD editor and locate the billboard you just added in the drop-down menu. Next, return to the Symbols folder in the Spark browser and drag the text spark into the HUD editor. Select the text spark and change the text by going to the Traits tab and entering any sentence or word into the text bar. I'll type, "Find the 5 pages." Adjust the font size to your preference. I'll set mine to 140. Change the color to black by setting the red, green, and blue values to 0. If the text seems to be expanding downwards, scroll down in the Traits tab and set the X size to 1200 and the Y size to 200. I'll go ahead and add the remaining text. We are almost done. Let's add the table, flashlight, and the rotating text. For the rotating text, add a new billboard, then check the Rotate towards camera, and lock X auto-rotate to make the billboard follow the player. Set the scale to 0.4, and also set the color A or alpha to 0. Then go to HUD editor, find the newly added billboard, then add a text and type, "Grab the flashlight to start." Change the font size and the text size. Lastly, set the text color to green and we are done. Great! The map is ready, but we need to make it more thrilling and eerie. To do that, let's add a sky config. Go to the Spark browser, open the Config folder, and then the Skies folder. Find a suitable theme for your game. I'll use Night 3 Sky. Simply drag the sky into the Configs tab. To make it look like a Slender game, let's add some lights around the map and add a light to our flashlight. To do this, head over to the Spark browser and Environment folder, then drag and drop the light towards the flashlight. Select the light and set the intensity depending to your liking. Now add some lights around the map. For this map, the lamp post, car headlights, and house lamps needed some lights. I'll go ahead and add the lights around the map. Awesome! The environment is almost done, but it's too bright for a thrilling game. To fix this, select the sky in the Configs tab, go to the Traits tab, and set the ambient brightness to 0.08 and the exposure to 0.8. Finally, lower the sun config brightness. I'll set mine to 0, but you can set yours to your liking. I think that's it. The environment is now perfectly set up. Congratulations! We've successfully set up the initial map, environment, and HUD for our Bonfire Slender Man game. The eerie atmosphere and basic mechanics are in place, and you're well on your way to creating a thrilling experience. In the next video, we'll take things up a notch by adding custom sparks to enhance the gameplay and make it truly unique. So, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.